All right, Flash Printing Depot cleaning day. Definitely not gonna pull up on them and go inside because I don't want to bother them. But they are cleaning, so I am happy. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. We are back at Flash Printing Depot. Y'all guys seen me pass by earlier. Saw the cleaning ladies hooking it up. So it is all ready to go. We are ready to receive shipment. The lights are done. The cleaning is done. The AC is done. Everything is done. And she is white box and ready for us. It looks clean, babe. It looks good. So, let's go on inside. All right. Oh, does it come with you? Do you come with the space? Nice and clean. Smell that? Fabuloso. So they cleaned up all the ant stuff. Fantastico, because now it's nice and clean. I don't think them ants are coming back. I hope not either. Smells good. All the bugs are cleaned up. This was an easy unit to clean. Yeah. Just sweep and mop. They cleaned over here. We are officially white box ready, honey. White box ready. What?
Keep the AC at like 75.
Why? Oh, to keep it cool?
Yeah. Even if we're not working in there, we still have to keep it like that.
Yeah.
Probably like this or lower.
So we're gonna do measuring today.
Yes.
Measuring for what?
Measure the wall so we can. What is wrong with you?
My eye's itching.
Every time you come here, your eye itches.
I'm recording. Can you just talk? What you were with me for?
Well, we gotta measure the walls, make sure we have that. We need to get an accurate measurement of the door so we know what can fit through. Yeah, just get measurements of pretty much anything that we can so that we can make sure we can fit everything we want in here. Measurements of the windows, for the material that's going to go on there to block out the sun.
Yeah.
So advertise on the sun.
I need to get measurements of these walls here, measurement of that wall, how big we want our sign, measurement of this wall, measurement of the windows, measurement of the door.
Wish it was really not in the spring.
Yeah. Huh. Until next time, Flash Printing Depot. Till next time.